Hey everyone, here's my workout training summary for the month of December. Similar to the previous month's workout training summary, I'm being really flexible with the workout routines throughout the week and kind of just going by intuition in determining what exercises to do, when to do them, the rep counts, the number of number of sets, the amount of weight lifted. It's all variable, but sticking to the main principle of progressive overload, ensuring that each time I'm trying to do the lift a little bit better, either by increasing the amount of reps I do or increasing the amount of weight used. That way that there can be stimulus for increased strength or increased muscle building. And some of the main things that I retained from previous workout regimens are keeping compound movements in. It just feels more efficient to do it that way, using an exercise that challenges more groups of muscles, challenges the core to maintain stability, and it's an easier way to lift more because those compound movements are usually your strongest lifts, so it's easier to continue to get better at them as you increase the weight over time, or as you do more reps with a certain amount of weight over time. And keeping those compound movements in, it's kind of the bread and butter, and it makes, if you keep those in, you kind of fill in the rest with odds and ends, smaller exercises, accessory movements, things that work less amount of muscles. So the main things that I've kept, the Smith machine, it has allowed me to keep doing some variations of squats and bench press, and from time to time I stick to the stiff leg deadlifts for that movement. Instead of doing conventional or sumo deadlift, I stick to stiff leg deadlifts, and the rest of the exercises are basically just whatever I feel like working on at the time. Mostly just smaller muscle groups, the arms, the obliques. For ab work, even though I try to maintain some progressive overload by lifting more weight, something that's more challenging than doing basic body weight exercises such as crunches or planks. So I do weighted crunches, but the thing is with the weighted crunches, sometimes it causes abdominal cramps, maybe just from dehydration or something else. Maybe it's too much of a strain to do it, but in order to challenge the muscle, I have to use more weight, but then at the same time it makes stomach cramps. So my counter for that is make sure to keep stretching the muscle out, so that for the abdominals is just lengthening it, kind of leaning back, and hopefully using maybe some type of superset combination with abdominal crunches, with the weighted crunches, that is, and then using it with ab rollouts, so that one movement you're kind of contracting the muscle, the other you're kind of lengthening it, so that hopefully that will reduce muscle cramps. That's usually my method of dealing with, regardless of which one. Sometimes it's abdominal cramps, sometimes it's quadriceps cramps, calf cramps. It's just to stretch out the muscle and then stay hydrated. Make sure to, if it's getting really taut, to just kind of massage it out and try to loosen it up. But that's just how things have been going lately, and that's what the workouts have looked like so far.